Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is a try-on haul video. I have bought a few dresses from Myntra, India, Flipkart and Shein. So I'll just give a quick review on those dresses. So let's check the video out. Firstly, I bought a full-length pleated skirt from Shein, which is in grey color. It's a pretty good skirt. So this is the skirt, long skirt, fully pleated one. The length of the skirt is also very good and the material is so soft and it looks very pretty. So for the match of the skirt, I have just bought a black t-shirt on this, full sleeves t-shirt from the Shein as well. So this is the skirt and the t-shirt upon it. I have used it many times. Yeah, this one. So this is the black t-shirt on the skirt. I didn't wear it for any occasion, but I just wore it for a photo shoot and clicked a few pictures on it. The length skirt is very good. Yeah, here it is. So it has a side zip for it, and the one thing which goes wrong in this skirt, it is not flexible at the waist. They just gave a zip on the side. So yeah, that's the only flaw in this skirt, but the skirt is very pretty. I just ordered the same pleated skirt in the different color because I love the skirt a very lot. So this is the another skirt, the same pleated skirt but the different color. It is also very good, but it is shiny, very soft, but not as a previous one, and the length is also good. So for this match, I just bought a white color t-shirt for it, white full sleeves one. This is also from Shein as well, and the t-shirt is also very good. It's very soft, but the thing is that the neck of the t-shirt is very deep. So this is the flaw for me, but okay, this is fine for me, and I have wore it once and clicked a few pictures of it. So moving on, I bought two maxi dresses from Flipkart. One is this red one, the party wear one. It's very simple but very pretty yet. So the length is also good and the material is the georgette one. It's very soft, and it is with half hands and has a zip at the back side. Yeah, zip at the back side, and the length is also very good. A maxi skirt. It's very good. It's very soft and it goes perfect on a date or any dinner party or any other party. It's very soft and at the very reasonable rate too. So this is the another dress. I brought it from Flipkart. This is also a maxi dress. This is also a maxi dress. Okay. So the thing is, the hands are very short. The sleeves are very short, but quite okay. I'll keep it. Starting, I thought it to return it because the sleeves are very short for me. Because I prefer only long sleeves or at 3/4 sleeves. But okay, and this has got one belt with it. It looks pretty well. Even we can wear for the office work also. Okay, moving on, I bought two other dresses from India. Actually, I often shop from India, but they have a very good collection, mostly ethnic wear. So this is one among it, the maxi dress. This dress is very good. It has attached dupatta along with it. The dupatta has the mirror work, and the work is also very neat, and the mirrors are perfectly fitted into it. And it looks very pretty because the dupatta goes very well on it. And the dress is not the only flaw with this dress is it is up to the ankle length, not fully length, so we need to have a legging along with it. So this is good. We can wear it to any occasion, any family occasion, or any festival. So the another dress I bought it from India is this black tunic. This is basically a low to high tunic. Yeah, the front part is this one. It's a low to high tunic, and the back is this one, the black one. The back is very good. It has got this neck. I love the dress. It's very simple. It's very good looking. It's very soft, and it's very reasonable also. So these are the dresses I bought it from India, and I love the both dresses. And I wore this black dress recently too. It's very good. And I have bought two dresses from Myntra as well. So I prefer maxi dresses a lot. I bought all the maxi dresses from various shopping sites. So this is the black pretty dress. It's a full length maxi. This dress I bought it for a very reasonable rate. I bought it for 1300 rupees, but now the price is high on Myntra. But at some discount rate I got it for 1300 rupees. It's very good. Either you can wear this dress directly, or we can go with along with the matching dupatta and make it as an ethnic wear. This is very good. It has fully the netted one, and the inside they gave the lining cloth very smooth polyester. Yeah, polyester lining cloth, and it's fully netted, net maxi dress. It's very good, and it's not full sleeves, it's the 3/4 sleeves one, and the dress looks very pretty. Yeah, the another dress is from Panit, Myntra. So the dress is from Panit. I bought it from Myntra. This dress is so pretty that I ordered the another same form of this dress, but I have not received yet. So this is, it's not full. It's also not full sleeves. It's 3/4 sleeves, and the back neck goes like this. It has a zip, and it's a little deep in the back side, and it's perfectly fits at the waist. So I preferably go to M size for me. M size fits perfectly to me. So this is the dress from Myntra.
सबसे अलग थी वो सबसे हंसी आंखें मेरी फिर उसकी आंखों से चमली एक बारी दो बारी फिर निकली हंसी एक हाथ हवा विच तुझ चकलास ते मैनू नहीं पता सी गिलास च की बट हौली हौली लक नू घुमा के नचदे.
So the dress now I'm wearing is also from Shein. it's a full sleeves one, full sleeves, and the upper part is slightly transparent. So yeah, this is also a maxi dress. I brought it from Shein. So all these are the dresses brought from Myntra, India, Flipkart, and yeah, Shein. So thank you for watching my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.